In today's candy apple tutorial, I'm showing you how to make custom candy apples for any event. For this one, we're celebrating an 18th birthday. Her name starts with the letter J and the color theme is gold and black. If you're ready to learn how to make these stunning candy apples, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop any questions or comments below. Now, when both colors look this cute, it's hard to pick just one, so let me know in the comments which color bow do you think I should use. And if you're ready to make your own stunning gold candy apples, I've got a link to my full gold candy apple tutorial down below.
This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva.
I made gold candy apples with the gold airbrush food coloring from Hobby Lobby, which is Cake Craft. My tutorial on how to make gold candy apples is in the description box below. The person is turning 18 years old, and her first name starts with the letter J. Like I said, her first name starts with the letter J. And I'm going to be using this letter J. I'm going to set this to the side right here. I'm going to also use my bow silicone mold here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to set this to the side. I am also going to use my flower silicone mold. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's see, I'm going to use 18 on another one. I'm gonna set that to the side. And then I have my 8. And I'm going to set this to the side. Okay, frame silicone mold. I am going to, let's use black. I'm gonna pop this out because I'm gonna need another bow. That's my black. Pop that out and set that to the side.
Too much fondant. When you have too much fondant, you can take a fondant tool. Take a fondant tool and just scrape it off. Just work with it. Okay, put that out. Gold frame here. I'm gonna put this right here, set that to the side. I'm gonna roll out some black fondant because I want that space filled. I take my embosser and press down, not too hard, but hard enough to get the indentation. And then I take my fondant cutter and I'm just gonna cut. Just cut right there. One more time. This should just stick on. You want to make sure you have it on the part of the apple you want it. So if it doesn't stick on, you can use your edible glue. Because I have to use, I may not have to, but I'm going to go ahead and put some edible glue on the back of this. And this is the Wilton's Dab and Hold edible glue that I'm using. So I'm just going to dab the 4 corners. And then I'm going to use my treat brush and just brush it around. Okay. And then I'm going to apply this like that. Okay. So I am going to use the letter J in gold, or I can paint it gold, but since the frame is this gold, I want to keep it this gold. With the luster dust gold, I'm just going to splatter on like the black. I'm going to take my edible glue brush that I've already been using. I tap that. And I add the letter J in the middle of the frame. Okay. Then I am going to take, let's see, I don't know if I want that look or if I want this look. They're both cute. I'm gonna do the black. I'm gonna do the black. I'm gonna try this one too. That's actually bomb too. This takes it. Jesus, I hate when I have stuff like this because, or I can't make up my mind. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it should be the black bow or the gold bow? Jesus. hate when this happens. I'm gonna go ahead and do the black. I love that gold as well, so maybe I'll just do some. Y'all, I'm not gonna sit here all day and go back and forth between the two, so I'm just gonna go with the black. And make sure you put it in the middle. Once you attach it, it's attached. That's cute. That's bomb. I don't think I should add any flowers, but I can. Like, yeah, let's go ahead and add like this black and gold. Let's go ahead and put a little flower on it. Some edible glue. I'm gonna add some edible glue on it. And I have a gold pearl, a gold, some edible glue here. I'm using these gold sugar pearls. Okay, and right there. This is cute. We can add, if you would like, you can add another flower. Let's see what it'll look like. I hate doing this because then I can't make up my mind if I want one flower, two flowers, three flowers, four. I like it, but I like that as well. I don't want to put too much fondant all on the apple. I like it like this. Let's go with this. And if you guys want to add a flower to your frame, you're more than welcome. Those are your candy apples. So this is cute. We're going to go with this look. And then I am going to do the same exact thing here. I'm going to use the numbers 1 and 8. The number 18. I don't remember if I showed you guys. I used the gold fondant from Hobby Lobby, so I don't have to worry about coloring my fondant gold. Now, when you do this using the silicone mold, you have a little piece right there that you need to cut off. If you want to be lazy, I guess you can leave it on. That's up to you. I can't tell you what to do, nor can you tell me what to do. And nobody else can tell you what to do, so don't let nobody discourage you. Whatever you want to do, and if you feel like it looks right, then go with it. Number 1, I'm going to do it in gold because is clashing with the background. To me, it's clashing with the background. Number 18. So of course we're not going to leave it like that. So I have that one like that. Now I can put flower on here, which that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to attach a little gold sugar pearl right there.
If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV.
Right.
I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.
So these are ways that you can design and customize your candy apples.